Hello. This is the tablet security display stand. This is the menu, the instruction, and this is the remote control. This is the power adapter. First, attach the power adapter. This is the sensor. I have no iPad now, so I put my mobile phone instead. It's okay. When you use the remote control, you need to put the remote control just near here, then it will stop the alarm. If you use the remote control in the other direction, then the remote control cannot be used. Only on this way it can use. Okay.